Pendle Hill dominates the landscape. It rises 557 meters, a silent sentinel overlooking the Ribble Valley. From its summit, the vista stretches out, encompassing the rolling hills of the Forest of Bowland. It's a view that takes the breath away. This is a place of shifting beauty. Each season paints the slopes anew. Winter drapes the hill in a blanket of white, its peak often lost in swirling mist. Spring brings a vibrant green, a carpet of life pushing through the cold earth. Summer sees the heather bloom, transforming the slopes into a sea of purple. And then autumn arrives, painting the trees in fiery hues of gold, red and brown. But Pendle Hill is more than just a scenic wonder. It holds within its slopes a dark and troubled past, a history that whispers through the trees and lingers in the shadows. This is a place where natural beauty and human cruelty have long been intertwined. The year 1612 cast a long shadow over Pendle Hill. It was the year of the infamous witch trials, a time when fear and superstition gripped the land. 12 souls from the surrounding villages were accused of witchcraft. Their alleged crimes, everything from causing illness to murdering with dark magic. The accused came from poverty, their lives already touched by hardship. There was Demdike, the matriarch of a family considered outcasts. There was Chattox, her rival, their feud spilling over into accusations of malevolent curses. And then there was Alice Nutter, a woman of more comfortable means whose presence amongst the accused hinted at wider social tensions. Judge Sir James Altham arrived, tasked with bringing order. The Lancaster Castle dungeons became a stage for accusations, confessions extracted under duress, and fantastical tales of hexes and familiars. The trials were a spectacle, a chilling blend of religious fervor, social control, and personal vendettas. The villages surrounding Pendle Hill still bear the scars of 1612. Each one holds fragments of the story, whispers of the accused and their accusers. In Barley, nestled at the foot of the hill, life has continued for centuries. Cobbled streets and ancient pubs stand as silent witnesses to the past. This was a place where the accused walked, their lives entwined with the rhythms of the land. Further afield lies Barrowford, its history interwoven with the weaving of cotton. The clatter of the mills may be gone, but their presence lingers in the sturdy stone buildings and the flow of the canal. It's a reminder that life, even in the shadow of Pendle Hill, finds a way to persevere. Roughly, however, is a village where the past feels closer. The house of Alice Nutter still stands, a tangible link to the trials. It's a stark reminder of how accusations could shatter lives and leave communities fractured. And then there's Downham, a picture postcard village seemingly untouched by time. Yet beneath its idyllic facade lies the memory of those accused, their stories woven into the very fabric of the place. Nestled in the heart of Pendle, Newchurch village is a treasure trove of history. This charming spot is famous for its picturesque churchyard, dating back to the 16th century. But there's more than meets the eye. Legend has it the churchyard is the final resting place of witches from the infamous Pendle witch trials. Just a stone's throw away is Ginny Lane, where you'll find an ancient well rumoured to have magical healing properties. Locals say it was once a pilgrimage site, drawing people from miles around. From mysterious tales to rich history, Newchurch village and Ginny Lane are brimming with stories waiting to be uncovered. So next time you're in Pendle, take a stroll through these historic paths and let the past whisper its secrets to you. But Pendle Hill is more than just its dark history. It's a place where nature's grandeur can soothe even the most troubled soul. The climb to the summit is a pilgrimage, a slow ascent that reveals ever-changing perspectives. With each step, the world seems to fall away, replaced by the vastness of the sky and the rugged beauty of the moorland. On a clear day, you can see for miles. The land unfolds beneath you, a patchwork quilt of fields, woodland and villages. The air is fresh and invigorating, carrying with it the scent of heather and damp earth. It's easy to see why this landscape has inspired artists, writers and poets for centuries. Whether you're drawn to the history, the natural beauty, or simply the chance to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life, Pendle Hill has something to offer. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, delve into the past, and find a sense of peace that is increasingly hard to come by in our frenetic world. Pendle Hill remains a place of pilgrimage, drawing visitors from far and wide. They come to walk in the footsteps of the accused, to feel the weight of history upon their shoulders. They come to experience the raw beauty of the landscape, to breathe in the fresh air and lose themselves in the vastness of the sky. But most of all, they come to listen to the stories whispered on the wind, to the echoes of the past that still resonate through the valleys. Pendle Hill is a place where history, myth and natural beauty intertwine. It's a reminder that the past is never truly gone, but rather lives on in the stories we tell and the places we hold dear. So come, explore the footpaths, wander through the villages and discover the secrets that await on Pendle Hill. High on the slopes of Pendle Hill, shrouded in mist and legend, lie the remnants of a Bronze Age burial ground. These ancient tombs, marked by weathered stones, offer a poignant glimpse into the lives of Pendle Hill's earliest inhabitants. They remind us that this landscape has been revered and inhabited for millennia. Archaeologists believe that these burial mounds, known as tumuli, date back over 4,000 years. They contain the remains of people who lived and farmed on the slopes of the hill. Excavations have unearthed pottery shards, tools and weapons, offering tantalizing clues about their lives. These Bronze Age people clearly viewed Pendle Hill as a sacred place. They chose to lay their dead to rest on its slopes, overlooking the valley below. Their presence is a reminder of the deep connection between people and place that has existed for centuries. Tucked away on the flanks of Pendle Hill, concealed by brambles and shrouded in folklore, lies a hidden well. Its exact location remains a closely guarded secret known only to a few. Some say it's a natural spring, while others whisper of its use in ancient rituals. Legend has it that the well possesses mystical properties. Some believe its waters have healing powers, capable of curing ailments and warding off evil spirits. Others say that it's a portal to another realm, a place where the veil between worlds is thin. Whether or not you believe the stories, there's no denying the allure of the hidden well. It's a place of mystery and intrigue, a tangible link to Pendle Hill's ancient past. Its very existence is a reminder that there are still secrets to be uncovered, even in a place as well-trodden as this. Nestled at the foot of Pendle Hill lie a string of picturesque villages, each with its own unique character and charm. These villages, with their cobbled streets and ancient pubs, have borne witness to centuries of life in the shadow of the hill. Take a stroll through the streets of Newchurch, with its imposing church and quaint cottages, or visit the market town of Clitheroe with its Norman castle and bustling market square. Each village has a story to tell, a rich tapestry of history and heritage. The people who live in these villages are fiercely proud of their heritage. They understand the deep connection between the land and its people. Their stories are intertwined with the history of Pendle Hill, passed down through generations. Pendle Hill dominates the landscape, a brooding presence. It rises from the heart of Lancashire. For centuries it has captivated locals and visitors alike. The hill isn't just a geographical feature, it's a repository of history, steeped in myth and legend. The slopes of Pendle Hill have witnessed the passage of time. From the earliest settlers to the modern-day rambler, the hill has exerted a powerful pull. Its distinctive profile is instantly recognizable, a beacon in the rolling countryside. The views from its summit are breathtaking, stretching out across the Ribble Valley and the Forest of Bowland. But Pendle Hill is more than just a pretty view. It's a place where history whispers on the wind. The very ground beneath your feet is imbued with the stories of the past. To walk on Pendle Hill is to walk in the footsteps of ancient Britons, Roman soldiers, and medieval monks.